All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Ford Transit. It is the T250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 25,000 miles. Power windows, power door locks, got backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper. Looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel. Your tire thread on this bad boy. This over 730 seconds. This door has a little dent there. Another chip there. It's got a dent right here. Paint off about 3 inches. Heavy scratch here about 2. Dent there about 3. Another one here about 3. Another one here about 2. It's got a dent here, 3, 6, about 9 inches right there. Boom. It's got a dent here. You can see it. 3, 6, 9. All right. It's got a heavy dent here with the paint off. About 12 inches. Boom. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. And tire thread. This over 730 seconds. See your rear bumper. Got a cracking here. 3, about 5 inches. Alright, let's get my ladder, check out the roof. Alright, we got a dent here in this corner. Boom. 3, 6, by about 5. Alright, we got a dent here. 3, 6, 12, about 12 inches. Boom. And some scratches here along the middle here. All right. Maybe I went through a drive-through or something like that. This door I just seen has a dent here, about 6 inches. All right. On this door we got a dent here, about 2. A dent here, 3, 6. Another dent here, about 2. All right. That's about it. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys so you guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. It does have power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. Got your does come with 1 key fob combo and owner's manual, still wrapped up in its package. AM FM stereo system. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera. Boom. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage 25,076. It does have tire pressure light on. Pretty much it. Keep it moving. Already did all of this. Doors do swing out all the way. Boom. This is what your middle looks like. Pow. Your wheels, this one's got a dent there. This one has a dent up top, as you can see it kind of coming around. Alright. This door looks pretty good. This has a dent here. Boom. And some damage here. It's actually been cracking here on the metal. Alright. See how this door looks. This one here looks the same. It's got some damage here. But the sides look pretty good. It does have some damage there, but it's not cracked like the other one is. Alright. Got a heavy scratch here, about 5 inches. Another heavy scratch. Actually not a scratch at all. Pretty much it. Here's your rear passenger steel wheel. Your tire thread is under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Yeah, under 730 seconds, around 6. This door has a few dings. They all look to be from the inside out. It's got quite a bit, unfortunately. There we go. You can kind of see them right there. See them right there, right there, right there, right here, a few. Right there, you can see the light creasing on it. There's one right there. All right, so there's quite a few. I'd say about 15 of them. A little dent here as well. Here's what your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Front door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. It has a little ding here. And a little chippy little ding there. This fender looks okay. Here's your front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is over 730 seconds. I believe this seat here does have a rip. Here we go. Ripped. About 3 to 4 inches right there. Alright. Pretty much completes the tour. Lights are working. Car is on, folks. Once again, this is a 2017 Ford Transit T250 long wheelbase mid-roof with 25,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.